Let's take you through how to use and navigate the keypad and menu for the VersaBoost Pro constant pressure boosting solution. Let's jump right in. The display shows the system status information and programming menu items. The start-stop is used to put the unit back into auto pressure regulation mode. Press and hold this button for 5 seconds to power cycle. If pressed while the unit is running or idle, the motor will stop and the unit will not run again until the button is pressed a second time. Use the back or return button to return to the previous screen. The Enter button is used to access submenus, selected parameters, execute menu selection, and confirms any changes made to parameter settings. The up and down arrows are used to navigate menus, logs, and adjust parameters. While on the home screen, use the up and down buttons to change the set point value. The output pressure displays real-time output water pressure. The pressure set point is used to adjust target water output pressure. The status displays the current operating status. The date time displays the current date and time as set up by the user. The icons display the status of various functions. The screen ID displays the current screen title. Refer to the owner's manual for more details for each menu screen. Thanks for watching.